the challenge. My friend challenged me to be patient for 30 days. It's difficult for me to be patient. It's just very difficult for me. I don't know why. Well, it's just that people annoy and frustrate me. My friend Amy told me Carmen, if you can be patient for 30 days, that will show that you can be patient all the time. I told her, nobody is patient all the time, not even you. You're right, but you can try to be patient most of the time, right? You will be a much happier person. And those around you will be happier too. You'll see. All right, I'll try. Why is it so hot in here? "83 degrees? Seriously?" Hello? Mr. Johnson, the air conditioning is broken. Yeah, I know. And? And what? Well, when will you be able to fix it? Well, not today and probably not tomorrow. I'm busy. What? I mean, It's okay. It's okay. I know you're busy. Yes, I am very busy. I will come as soon as I can. Well, thank you. I'm very sorry I couldn't come earlier to fix your air conditioner. You're not angry with me, are you? Angry? Me? No, of course not. Do you know something? You have a very beautiful smile. Really? Thank you. Thank you very much. I've never seen you smile before. No? Well, hmm. Hello, Mr. Robinson. This is Carmen. I can't come to work today. I'm not feeling well. Not coming to work? Of course you're coming to work. How else will the work be done? Besides, you have a presentation to do. Remember? That man infuriates me. Yes? Carmen, where are you? I'm on my way, Mr. Robinson. I'll be there soon. Well, hurry up. Excellent presentation, Carmen. Carmen, I want you to know that I truly appreciate all your hard work. I know I can get a little crazy sometimes, but I really appreciate your patience. Thank you, Mr. Robinson. I really appreciate it. Hi, Amy. Hello, Carmen. How are you doing? Everything is great. You were right. I feel happier trying to be more patient. Oh, I am so happy, Carmen. Thank you so much for the encouragement.